All right, January something. Today is like 13 or some weird day. Marina Del Rey. We're going to catch fish using NorCal people setup. Dodger and hoochie time. Found my Dodger, my kokanee Dodger actually, and my hoochie. Hey man, nice kokanee. That's like a year 2 kokanee. He actually got a jack smelt. Yeah, they don't like you because you're kind of being a jerk today. Well, see, because I was talking to you and I got oh my god, big bass. Come here, boy. Yeah, you don't believe in slow pitch jig. Freaking guy. Yeah, you don't. Oh my god. Look at this. So pretty. Hey, stop swinging. Letting you go. Now you hook yourself again. Oh my god, this fish is like, oh, he got double hooked. Just like that, we find a spot, we drop a lure, and it's on. Sand bass. Big sand bass. Man, I'm gonna let it go, don't need it.
How big? Keeper?
No, probably not keeper. Look at it. Yeah. It's a juvenile. Got one hook out. Sorry, buddy. Thank you for providing such a good sport. Now he's gonna tell his buddies, hey, don't bite this thing. Still try to find this 20-inch bass. Look at this. Yeah, well, I don't know what day is it today, but it looks like it's newbie sailboat day. They shouldn't even be here. It should be in the middle of the channel. This is like asking for disaster. Very easy chance for them to crash into a rock. And now they decide to turn. I have to make adjustment. Oh, they're stopping. All right, today we're out from Redondo, try to get some bass, and I actually did not bring my motor today because it actually slowed me down because the drag it's creating. So back to the basic, get some exercise done, hopefully get some fish. These guys, freaking adorable. Think I got something. Ooh, beautiful. Fish on! Calico! Oh, Curva, look at this, how beautiful this is. All right.
I can see you guys. You guys are next to 2 boats, right?
Yeah.
All right. Your line of sight. See there too.
Oh, he inhaled it. This boy inhaled it. It's deep. All right, got it released. Go home. All right, so I had to switch to my bait rod because there's no calicos, probably whitefish fighting like this. And seriously, who uses avid for, like, you know, ocean whitefish? Oh, this is, oh, double whitefish. Want it?
No, okay.
Oh,
Posting on YouTube.
yeah.
How this guy like sees birds and he drives right on top of it.
Oh, the sea lion is, they caught something.
He's got some kind of a big carcass.
Yeah, the sea lion got like some big fish, and the birds are harassing him.
Oh, there is a mark under us right now.
Drop.
Some kind of a thing is it? It's like under us, like a baseball.
Oh, yeah, he's eating a fish. The sea lion caught a fish and he's eating it.
He's eating some kind of a big carcass. Yeah, huh? Looks like a halibut. And
Yeah,
and he comes to take a breather, and
and the birds are harassing him.
top of his head. Look at this mark under us though.
I'm dropping, maybe it's a jet ski? Trolling?
Something fucking bumped my kayak, dude.
Something bumped you, right?
Yeah.
It's a sand dab. The sea lion eating a sand dab.
Seal there. Yeah, there was no baseball over here at all.
No, there's bait. That was a small anchovy. Dude, that's a halibut.
Are you filming this shit?
Yeah, I am. Oh my god. That's like some sort of flatfish. Hey, let's tell the sea lion that's not a legal halibut he got. Yeah, seagulls are assholes. Fish on! It feels so good when you try a different spot. You try to go for a different spot and you caught a fish. Hell yeah, keeper.
What'd you get?
Sand bass. Oh wait, this might not be a keeper. Oh damn. There we go. Kidding me now. Okay, there we go. All right, Nasco got hooked up too. Benny got hooked up. I got a fish on me. You can't just tell me to come this way and then, like, you know. Oh. Is it white sea bass? Yeah, right. Dude, that's a 15-inch. 15-inch. Hell yeah. I'm dropping again. Benny, come here. Man, y'all full of oh yeah, another one. Yeah, hell yeah. DJ Kelly. Oh, this one's big. Pulling drag. Well, not pulling drag, but he's fighting. Another one. YC bass. That's not a YC bass.
Oh, nice, nice.
Okay, I'm done with fishing today. You guys want to borrow my rod?
Yeah, I'm good. Fine.
Drop here, seriously. Don't be like an asshole. Hey Benny, seriously, take this, dude.
Alright, alright.
Dude, look at that. I'm good for today. I'm done.
Oh yeah, there's some nice marks here. These are the bass, you know?
Yeah, they're a bunch of bass. I mean, legally you can keep 5, but I don't need 5. So, signing off. All right, another bass. Another bass. Oh, I got a big ocean whitefish belly hook. Anybody want it?
No thanks.
It's a belly hook. I'm gonna keep it. It's gonna die anyway. Ah, this came off. Oh wait, this just came off. Oh no, wait, still there, still there, still there. This guy was just swimming upwards. I thought he came off. Oh, gill hooked. Fuck, that's not. Yeah, there you go. Go away. That was fun. Just got like probably another 18-inch sand bass, gill. All right, another day. Cap 2 whitefish and 2 sand bass. Fishing spring season from January and March kind of sucks in SoCal, but it's still fun to be out here. Till next time.